Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Today I am going to discuss about maths topic. In that I am going to explain about directions concept. In my previous videos I have explained about directions and then I have explained some problems also in that. Today also I am continuing the same direction problems. Okay, these problems are useful for competitive exams. Okay, first problem: a man walks 3 kilometers in north point P to point A. Okay, suppose a man is here. Okay, man is here, point is P. A man stands here. Okay, man is here. A man walk 3 kilometers in north, so P to A. Okay, this is A, this is 3 kilometers. Okay, a man walks 3 kilometers in north point P to A. Okay, this is P and this is A. Okay, he takes left turn. So now man is here. Now he takes left turn. For him, right, this is right side and this is left side. Okay, so left turn and walks 4 kilometers. So he takes left turn and walks 4 kilometers. Okay, first he walks for 3 kilometers and then he turns left and then he walks 4 kilometers. Okay, now this point is B. Starting point is P and then now this point is A and then this point is B. Okay, then find the starting point, then find the starting point to point B. So we need to find the distance from P to A. Okay, so we need to find the distance from here to here. We know the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is a triangle, right angle triangle. Angle is 90 here. Okay, A, B, C. We know the Pythagoras formula. BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. Okay, like this. Here PB square equal to AB square plus AB square plus AP square. Okay, so 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square plus 4 square equal to 9 plus 16, 25. So PB square equal to 25, PB equal to root 25, which is equal to 5. So distance from P to B is 5 kilometers. By using Pythagoras theorem, we found the value of distance from P to B is 5 kilometers. Okay, hope it's clear. Now coming to next problem. A man walks point A. A man walks point A to north direction. Okay, we know this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. Okay, a man walks point A to north directions. Okay, so he started walking like this. North directions means up direction. Okay, he started like this. Okay, and then this is the man's starting point. Okay, and then he take right turn. Okay, right turn means now man is here. This is north direction, we know. Okay, now man is here. Okay, he take right turn. Right turn means this side. He take right turn and then he take left turn. Left turn means this side. Now man is here. Okay, for him left turn means this side. Okay, a man walks a point A to north direction and he take right turn, then he take left turn, he takes again left turn. Now man is here. Okay, for him left turn means this side. Okay, this side. Okay, he takes again left turn, which direction is he facing now? Now he is in this direction. We know. This one means west. This is east. This is north and this is south. So the man is facing west direction. Okay. I am explaining again. A man walks a point A to north direction. He take right turn. Then he take left turn. He takes again left turn. Which direction is he facing now? So he is facing in west direction. So answer will be west direction. Okay, hope it's clear. In my coming video, I will explain more problems on directions. Okay, hope it's clear. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you very much. Bye.